So last year, Ava wouldn't even get in the pool without a floaty on, and this year, she just went down the slide backwards and put her head underwater. I'd say she's making improvement. Good morning, welcome to our channel. I'm just finishing getting ready this morning. The girls are out in the living room having a little morning time, eating breakfast, watching a little show. We are about to go get them dressed. I have some dishes to do because I was way too lazy to do them last night. But they're watching a show, hanging out, and we're about to go get ready. All right, so the girls wanted curly hair, so we put them into pigtails and I braided them, and now we're gonna take them out and see how curly they are. You ready? The final outcome. What do you guys think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They also decided to do tattoos, and they both got one on their forehead and belly button. Today begins our adventure. What adventure?
Homeschool.
Our homeschool adventure. Today marks day one of our homeschool adventure. Come along for our ride, right?
Yeah.
How do you like school so far?
I thought we were gonna do more schoolwork, less schoolwork, but we did more schoolwork than that. I thought.
What do you mean?
I thought we was gonna do less schoolwork than that.
Well, it's school. We gotta do schoolwork if you want to do school, right? All right, you ready to go to the doctor's?
Not really.
Oh, you'll be fine. All right, let's go. You grew 3 inches in a year. You're crazy. But you're doing awesome, and you're healthy and happy, and now we need to go home and finish school.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You're hungry? You're always hungry. All right, you ready to go home?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go. We just finished our first day of homeschooling. Woohoo! Was it fun?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready to do it again tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
What was one good thing that you learned today?
I learned that if you want to, know what in the middle, some and less, only if you have 5. And this one is the middle. And if you have 4, they're not middle.
Correct. That is very good. What did you learn today?
About a whole body.
About the whole human body.
Huh? I might
What-
get about that to say.
What helps push the blood through your body? What's in here?
They.
Veins. But what helps the veins push the blood through? It goes,
heart.
the heart. Good job. So I'd say that first day of homeschooling was a success, and we're excited to do it again tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
But for now, we're gonna go eat some lunch, right?
Lunchtime. I'm Maria
All right, let's go eat some lunch.
Yeah.
Just finished lunch. Did the few dishes that were in the sink. The girls were playing in these huge boxes that we got and eating their lunches and watching a show. These are from the mattress that we just got delivered yesterday. So now we're gonna get ready and I have to go to work. School is done, work is done. It is hot, we're enjoying some Freezy Pops. All the girls have Freezy Pops. Emma has Freezy Pop. Livy has a Freezy Pop. And we are going to spend some time outside in the pool. The only fun way to spend a hot summer day is in a pool. 1, 2, 3, go! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You have a boo-boo. Let me see. Oh, yeah. You're okay, though.
My side.
Doesn't everybody water their sidewalk?
Yeah.
We do here. Makes it grow better. It was kind of scary.
Okay, let's try it. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's put it down. Ready?
Ready. How was that? You did so good. So last year, Ava wouldn't even get in the pool without a floaty on, and this year, she just went down the slide backwards and put her head underwater. I'd say she's making improvements.
Now run out of the way.
Yep. Where you going with it? Gonna spray the house. Okay, show me. Woo! Silly you. What?
Mommy,
What is it?
see what I did?
What do you want me to do?
Red. Mommy, see what I did?
Sure.
This for Daddy.
Okay.
Yeah, ready?
Ready. We have to share. Oh. You have part of the helmet stuck in your hair, Emma, look at Mommy. You have part of the helmet stuck in your hair.
I want that probably on the screen. Who's on my bike?
Day 1 of homeschooling? Check. Kids are asleep? Check. Husband's working out downstairs? Double check. Now I think it's time for some chick flicks while I wait for him to be done. I would say day 1 of homeschooling went over with only very few bumps and hiccups. There were a couple of times that the girls looked at me and they were like, listen, lady, we're not doing this, we're done. And I had to remind them that they wouldn't give their teacher attitude, or at least I hope they wouldn't, so they shouldn't give mommy attitude. I know that this road is going to be filled with bumps and hiccups along the way, and I'm totally ready for that. But I'm super excited to see where this adventure takes us and how the kids do with learning from home. I mean, this is all new for all of us, so we're kind of just going with the flow and seeing what happens. But we're excited to have you along for the ride, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.